put them on the, what do you call that? Good morning from Nova Scotia. It's -6 degrees, which is about, I think, 20 degrees Fahrenheit. And we just have a little dusting of snow, but it's icy. We're getting ready to load the truck. This customer asked for 4 crates of ends. So you know there's a lot of small, medium, and large pieces of every shape and size in there. They've had them before and they burn fine, so Jim's just taken off the panels on the front so it will dump when he wants it to. So 4 of these and then we hit the road. Pieces are falling out already.
Those are nailed on. I gotta...
Oh shoot. There's a hammer in there, yeah. Actually, when they called, they asked for season wood, but of course, it's January. We don't have any season wood left. Everything's harder when it's cold out. All right, ready to dump. I'll go to this side, out of the way. That's a lot of little pieces to pick up. It's a big crate. See if it got emptied. No, not quite. Some pieces in the back. Oh, pieces hanging on up there. Probably frozen on. I'll get out of the way because I think he's going to biff them. Whoa! Right on.
One down, 3 to go.
Yep. The board on the bottom must have been stuck to the ground. I tell you, everything's cold. Everything's harder in the cold. And we'll put these back in the crate for the next time we start filling it. What? I can see your face. What? Nothing? You can't say it?
No. I got nothing to say.
No? Oh my God, my hand's cold. My thumb. That helped, actually.
Yeah.
Do it again. Anybody knows that if they cut themselves in any way, I had a good cut on my thumb this summer, 8 stitches, and man, it's bad in the cold. It normally has no feeling anyway, but it's worse in the cold.
Well, I've gone to get the next crate.
Yeah,
Talk about our newest addition to the.
that over there.
Give your opinion of the piece of metal that I.
You
cut
sure
out
you
of
want my opinion?
Sure.
All right, I'll do that. So Jim's gonna go back up and get crate number 2. There he goes. Oh, he's leaving it there. So this is on uneven ground right now, but we can take the bin off the truck just like that, drive the truck away, back the truck here, and hook it on. It's a hook lift platform. So on the platform, oh. On the platform, he has a grapple. And down at this end, there's controls for the grapple. And this is the engine. It's not where Jim wanted it mounted. He wanted it underneath the platform, but this is how they did it. So we can take the box off. I don't know if it'll come off right now. Nope. Ouch. And on this side, this is just temporary, but it's a bench where he can grapple the logs out of the pile, put them on the, what do you call that? And then he hauls them up there, mounts his saw there. They slide down the chute and into a crate, the rounds. Then I come along with the skid steer, pick up the crate, put a new crate there, and take the crate down to where I work and split them. So that's what we're trying anyway. Jim ended up with a bad shoulder with tendonitis, and it's only now just starting to get better, and it's from chainsaw. So this way he won't have to use the chainsaw in the same manner. So we'll see how it goes. It's got stake pockets there too, so that we can put sides on it if we want to carry logs or anything like that. Yeah, so that's our new addition for this year. So I hear Jim coming with crate number 2. Two crates. crates. All those little pieces somebody has to pick up. The board that we had used to strap it to the skid steer came off. Jesus. Wow! What are you doing? Little happy? What's happy thing? There's the piece he threw it over this way. my, there's a lot of pieces.